¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Ay, se deja, ¿eh?
Como sei cocoloso. Sei cocoloso.
Mira, mira cómo se está preparando. Mira, mira. Day number, I don't know, 8. I think it's 8 or 7 or 8. 7 or 8.
I think it's 7, yeah.
So,
We already had 2 coffees. It's 9 o'clock, I think.
yeah, it's 9:30.
2 coffees.
No breakfast.
And 3 kilometers done.
Yeah, I think we're not the fastest one, yeah, but slowly but surely. Okay. I think this is our line, slowly but surely.
Yeah, one step in front of the other.
One coffee in front of the other.
Today we are expected to walk 26 kilometers. We're
Uh-huh.
actually going by the book, no? This time. We are stopping at the main stages. It's
Yes.
hard to walk more or less because the stages don't have as many facilities as. Are we going to Castro?
We're in Castro.
We are in Castro now.
Yes, we're in Castro.
Okay.
We're in Castro. We're gonna go to
I don't know because it's deleted.
somewhere there.
Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti. Para poder vivir, te elijo a ti. Es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte. Ahora que estás aquí. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte, ahora que estás aquí.
Today I feel more tired. It's like I alternate day full of energy and I don't feel the backpack, and days really I'm tired and the backpack is heavier than ever. And we still have 20 kilometers to go.
Te elijo a ti, te lo voy a repetir, te elijo a ti, siempre voy a insistir, te elijo a ti, ya no quiero sufrir, te elijo a ti. Lo que siento es tan fuerte, imposible no elegirte, ahora que estás aquí.
Planning to walk Camino Primitivo? Check out the 10 highlights of that Camino in the description below. Click the link and get it delivered straight to your inbox. We did it.
What?
We climbed this Alto de Acebo. Yeah, this is now Galicia. Look around. Must be water. It's Galicia.
It smells of Galicia, yeah. It smells of pulpo a la gallega.
Smells of. It smells. No, that's me. I think I should use some perfume maybe. That's the pilgrim smell, eh?
Galicia, Asturias. Galicia, Asturias. Galicia,
Galicia, Galicia.
Me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti, para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo a ti. Te quiero, 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 te quiero decir que te quiero, 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 te quiero. quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti. Para poder vivir, te elijo a ti. Es lo que me hace
fría!
sentir, te elijo a ti.
Alegría.
Te elijo a ti. Te elijo a ti. Te elijo a ti.
This is not like another beautiful part of the YouTube video, Hollywood story. They arrive full of
No,
energy.
not yet. I'm starving
And we haven't arrived.
and we haven't arrived. It's like 1 hour more and it's hot. And we are hungry because we only had a late breakfast at 10.
It's not like there is no places to eat. It's simply we just didn't. We decided to have a early dinner, no?
No, there was only one bar along all the path that we had.
Oh, there was another one which
We ignored. Okay.
You look pale, eh?
Pulpo. Pulpo.
Ariga,
Ce la posso fare?
pulpo, pulpo.
Ce la posso fare? Ce la posso fare? I can do it. We just arrived in Galicia and we already have the pulpo a la gallega, croquetas. Oof, I can't wait. Cheers. Feels so good.
Really good.
Everyone we met before on our hikes, they say, "Oh, the Primitivo, it's so heavy. You need sticks," because we never walked with sticks before, and you need to train. We didn't, but we have a really good condition, I think. So, but that was, I think, one of the reasons, and because everybody told us it's quiet. We like the quietness. We live in the country.
Thank you for subscribing.